Hi everyone, welcome to a new weekly update on the Baguette Investor channel where I review my positions, my holding, and tell you a little bit about my views on the market. So we're here on my portfolio valuation. Forgot to put the zero here. My portfolio is not really moving, so that's a pretty good thing. I managed to have all my money out of the market at the moment, so if the market dumps hard, I don't lose any money. I secure the profits I made during the bull market. So I'm showing this to you so you can get a view on every week how much I get and that we can build the transparency together. So let's get to the TA of the markets. We're gonna first take a look at the weekly Bitcoin. You can see on the weekly we are still in an uptrend, even if it doesn't look very good. The weekly candle made a doji, which is a sign of consolidation, but no sign of reversal or anything like that on the weekly on Bitcoin. If we zoom in on the daily, we can see some kind of triangle consolidation. And remember, when there is a consolidation in a trend, there is a high probability, and you need to take that into account, that it might just continue on the trend. And that's what I fear about Bitcoin, that it just you see the triangle. I mean, you're not obliged to see this triangle. You can just see that there is a consolidation and that it might go even further down, you know what I mean? But the risk that we can get is it breaking down like that, or even worse, going in a straight line. And I think most of us are very afraid of Bitcoin closing below the 30k, and that will mean it's going to reach the 20k if it does. Or it can hold this consolidation, hold this triangle, maybe do some kind of double bottom, I don't know. But to me, I'm paying attention to the consolidation. If we break down, I'll think the market will go down even more. And if it breaks up, I'll take a bet on the upside on altcoins and Bitcoin. So this is my view of the market right now. There is no point trying to guess what's going to happen when prices are in a range market. You just follow what's going to happen and, be like water, as the famous guy would say. If we look at the altcoin index, we're in the same situation, except the triangle is a little less obvious, but we are in a triangle and we need to wait for the trend confirmation. But if we break even down below, we are confirming a bearish trend, and it's the end of the bull market on cryptocurrency for now. I can take a look at some positions I took, if that's interesting for you. I took a short position on some altcoins that I'm taking a bet the bear market will continue. I took a bet on the Binance futures. That is very, very good thing to short. If you don't know what shorting is, well, I make a video about that. Don't worry. For now, you just need to understand that I will make money if this price goes down. And you can see that we have a beautiful reversal pattern, and I'm taking the bet right there. So if it starts a bearish trend, it's the perfect entry for me. I did that on Theta, I did that on ZIL, and I did that on Anchor. So Anchor did not play like I thought it would play. We still have this support, so I might get stopped, but I will enter again if we break down the support. Very, very interesting play. So this is gonna give me some big amount of money if the market dumps hard, and as the market will dump, I will be able to open more and more short positions with my risk management strategy. For now, I'm sticking to only one risky position. As you can see on my position, these two have their stop losses at their entry prices, so it means if it goes back to the entry price, I'm out of position and I didn't lose any money. But this one, the stop loss is at the stop price. So if this one goes to my stop price, I will be taken out of position and losing 1% of my capital. And because my capital is 30,000, this would mean you know how much I would lose. So that's pretty it for me. Pay attention to this consolidation, and if it breaks down, well, good luck to everyone. I hope you know what you're doing. I hope you know if you do either trend following or if you do either um, holding. If you're holding, you don't really care about big market dumps. It's just an occasion for you to buy more. If you're doing trend following, maybe you're starting to consider getting out of your trade. Even if you, for me, if you were trend following, you would have gotten out either here or here, as I explained in my last week videos about Bitcoin and Ethereum. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you'll be okay. Remember the first rule: never lose money. Protect your money, protect your capital. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next week. Goodbye, guys.